about my mother. She had this thing about women's emancipation. So when she met my father, she swore she would be his lover and never his wife. But then I was born. I was a mistake, really.
You're illegitimate.
Funny, isn't it? So they had to get married, and she brought me up as a child of nature. She wanted me to demonstrate the equality of the sexes. She made me dress up in boys' clothing and learn about farming. I had to kill a fox when I was born. And then she reorganized the estate. She made the women do the men's work and the men the women's. We were the laughingstock of the whole county. Finally, my father snapped and she fell into line. But she began to stay out all night. She took lovers, people talked. She blamed my father for the failure of her experiment. Her infidelities were her revenge. They rowed constantly. She always had these awful gashes and bruises. He did too. She was very strong when she was angry. Then there was a rumor my father tried to kill himself. Yes, he failed. Obviously. Do you know whose side I was on? I think I learned all my emotions by the age of 10 and never developed anymore. A child experiences the world so deeply, without the sophistication to protect itself. It's not fair, really. Then my mother, almost on her deathbed, on her deathbed, made me swear I'd never be a slave to